What's going on, everyone? Chandler here with Lebanon Ford Performance Parts, and today we are going to talk about drive shafts. First of all, everybody pretty much knows what a drive shaft is. It connects the transmission to the rear differential and spins really fast. So obviously a lot of people also know that the OEM drive shaft is a two-piece design, meaning there's a joint in the middle and it sags so it can move around. This is good for noise, vibration, and harshness purposes, where keeping a drive shaft that has absolutely no vibration and no noise at all is absolutely paramount, but it also, as you can see, gives you a lot more places that the drive shaft can fail. On high horsepower applications, especially manual cars with slicks launching at the track, it's very easy to break these. Additionally, they're quite heavy, and everybody knows that rotational weight is enemy number one when it comes to robbing horsepower. So anything that you can do to lighten the drive line pays dividends on picking up parasitic drivetrain loss for horsepower and can help improve your ETs. So as you can see, it's very heavy, extremely awkward, filled with all types of nasty rubber bushings and points that can break, and we don't want this on our cars. Now, this is a one-piece aluminum drive shaft from our good friends over at G-Force Engineering. G-Force is our go-to provider for drive shafts and half shafts on pretty much all the Mustangs that we use. Drive shafts being a little less common, half shafts being in virtually every single car. So as you can see, guys, the quality on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's made of 6061 T6 aluminum, and it's a 3.5-inch width design. They make them for automatic and manual. The automatics having a slightly different flange adapter. Other than that, they're both very similar. They're both extremely strong. They're rated to 900 horsepower, and G-Force states that they should be almost entirely vibration free all the way up to or around 160 miles an hour. It is important to note that with a aftermarket one-piece drive shaft, you do lose a lot of the bushings that I had mentioned in the OEM. So you may feel a little bit of vibration here and there. The engagement's going to be a little bit faster, so you will definitely notice a difference. Big difference is the weight. This thing really only weighs in about 16 pounds. It's extremely light compared to the gigundous, super awkward two-piece design on the OEM shaft, which means you're going to see about a 7 to 10 pound reduction in weight on the drive shaft, which, as I mentioned, if you're trying to decrease rotational weight, trying to get back some of that parasitic drivetrain loss that has been robbed, this is a fantastic option. Additionally, again, for those of you who have a manual transmission, who are using slicks, who are going for the best ETs down the drag strip, this is really important, especially for those of you guys making big power, 700, 800 plus on a sticky tire. It's very easy to break the factory two-piece. It should be noted that it's not impossible to break these. I have seen these twist and warp on 1,000+ wheel horsepower cars. I've even seen the carbon fiber ones get shattered. We had a customer here who managed to shatter a carbon fiber 3-inch drive shaft from DSS. But again, the car was making over 1,000 wheel horsepower, so it definitely exceeded the rating on that particular unit. So just to quickly go over some of the nuts and bolts on the car, obviously it does come with all the hardware that you need. I believe these are grade 10 bolts, either grade 8 or grade 10 bolts. You have both of the adapters for both sides. The automatic is a little bit different, and on the topic of the pinion flange adapter, Ford is still trying to figure out the go-to pinion flange adapter on the 15 through 18 model years. The manual flange was all the same. In 18, they switched to the automatic flange to be different from the 15 to 17. And of course, in 19, on the manuals, it's looking like they're all getting the auto flange, which is a little bit wider and has a recess in it. So Ford is still kind of making everybody's lives really difficult as they switch back and forth between the different flanges that they're going to use for the pinion. For those of you guys who are ordering 19 drive shafts, make sure you give us a call, especially if you're ordering them straight from our parts website, so as that we can figure out exactly what flange is on your car to make sure that it ships with the correct one. If it doesn't, it's not a big deal. We'd be happy to get the right one sent out for you. All right, just a few more very quick tech specs before we get into pricing and availability on these guys. These use a splined slip shaft design. Try saying that 10 times fast. Additionally, they are pre-balanced. G-Force has a very sophisticated device that allows them to detect vibration on these, and they tell me that every single one of their drive shafts goes through this machine to make sure they're balanced correctly, and you're not going to have a wobbly pogo stick underneath your car. That's no fun. So with that said, again, it's a fantastic quality piece. It eliminates the CV joint. It eliminates a whole bunch of the rubber bushings and the less than stellar pieces, while not only becoming stronger, but also weighing less. For those of you guys who are interested in one of these, they are available on our parts website for $8.99. For those of you customers looking to build a custom Mustang with us, this is another one of those very popular options, especially if you're going to be doing drag strip work with a manual. The automatics is not 100% necessary, but if you're going to be doing serious track work, again, it's another recommendation to get your ETs down and to add some reinforcement to your driveline. So guys, for more information and to check these out, visit us online at LebanonFordPerformanceParts.com or give us a call for more details.